We'll guide you through how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the spreadsheet opens, make sure you are working on the correct worksheet, especially if the file contains multiple sheets. Next, prepare a dataset that includes numbers or text values you want to analyze. Conditional formatting works best when you have clear data that can be compared or highlighted based on specific rules. After your dataset is ready, review the data carefully and decide which values you want to highlight automatically. Then click and drag your cursor to select the range of cells that contains the data you want to format. Once your data range is highlighted, move your cursor to the top menu bar of Google Sheets. Click on the Format menu to open additional formatting options. In the list that appears, look for the Conditional Formatting option and click it. After selecting this option, observe that the Conditional Format Rules panel opens on the right side of the screen. In this panel, confirm that the selected data range matches the cells you intended to format. Next, look for the Format Cells if drop-down menu in the panel. From the list of conditions, choose an option such as greater than if you want to highlight numbers above a certain value. After selecting the condition, enter a specific value that will act as the rule for the formatting. Then select a formatting style that will be applied to the cells that meet the condition. Choose a background color to highlight the matching cells so they stand out clearly in the spreadsheet. Before applying the rule, review the preview shown in the formatting panel to confirm that the style looks correct. When everything looks good, click Done to apply the rule. Immediately observe how the cells that meet the condition change color automatically. To confirm that the rule works properly, test it by editing a value within the dataset. Notice how the formatting updates automatically when the value meets or no longer meets the condition. If you want to highlight other types of values, you can add another rule. Finally, review all the conditional formatting rules and confirm that the highlighted cells match your conditions.